Hello dear Gemini, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading for 22nd of September till the 28th. It is going to be love and career. Your cards are already out. So let me start by showing you. In your career, you have got the 10 of stars and the lady card. Whether you are a male or a female, it doesn't matter. This is not a gender based reading. So your energies can also be reversed. Role can also be reversed. In your career, I do feel that everything is going fine, Gemini, but unfortunately, you think that there is some problem. You think that people are not mingling with you. You think that they are not coming to you and talking to you the way they talk to each other, right? Your colleagues, they are not opening up to you. But the thing is, you think your personality is not good or you think you're not good at work. That's not how the other person look at you. I do see that you are admired at work. People think that you have a great personality, great skill and experience, and at the same time, a great business acumen also. Whether you have a job, business, or you're preparing for higher studies, people respect you. Now, the only thing they do not approach you or talk to you the way they talk amongst each other is because they're intimidated by you. You give those vibes that, do not cross a line with me, right? Like maintain your distance, that kind of a thing. And that's why you can see this person has that kind of aura about them, right? Where people are intimidated by you. So this week, please do not think negatively about situations at work. If there is a reason why someone is not talking to you, that's only because they're intimidated by you and not because they think that you're a bad person or you don't know a particular skill or job or you're bad at your work. No, it's just that they think you're a very strong personality and they do not want to cross a line with you. All right. Now let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the Pope, the Prophetess, the Devil, and the One of Sons too. Oh my God, so many cards that came out. All right. Personally, I do feel that especially people who are single do want to get married. Okay. Even if you are in a relationship, you do want to get married. But unfortunately, you end up being in situationship or with people who are not giving you the kind of commitment or marriage or loyalty that you want. You could be dealing with somebody who you know you have been dating or you have known for a while, but this person is just not moving forward. You think that they are going to propose you today, but it hasn't happened yet, right? Let me tell you that this person has a very toxic trait. They are a devil. They're never going to change. If they haven't given you the commitment or talked about it, they are probably never going to give you the commitment, right? You could also be dealing with somebody who is narcissistic, abusive, controlling, a freak, or even a cheater, right? So now the thing is that you already know it, don't you? I know that you know it. Look at this, the prophetess card. You have the intuition. You know that this person is toxic. I also see that if this is not your partner, there's somebody around you who you know is toxic, who is trying to come in between your relationships, causing problems for you and your parents, you and your siblings, you and your friends, right? Or you and your spouse. It can it's not just love, but also your personal relationships are also counted. So there is somebody who is toxic around you, can be your own friend, family, or your own partner, right? Who is spoiling your life, not wanting to get you married, not wanting to see you happy, not having the heart to commit to you or give you that kind of loyalty. And somewhere you know who is this toxic person. Now, what you have to do this week, Gemini, you have to cut this person out. I'm sorry, but whenever I see this devil card, I just feel the urge to cut this person out immediately. The moment you cut this person out, you will be able to start a new relationship, find a better partner, have better friendships, or get better relationship with your family and siblings, etc. Right? A better new beginning is waiting for you only when you cut this toxic person out of your life. Till the time you will let them interfering in your life, you will never get that new beginning that you're waiting for, right? Whether that's your relationship, whether that's your marriage, whether that's your good home, peaceful environment, this person has to go out of your life, right? I also see that if you make efforts towards your relationships, it will definitely bloom. You will definitely get the rewards. If you think that, oh my God, this was such a long relationship and how can I just end it? How will I ever be able to find the partner that quickly? No, you will be. Just start. Just start putting the efforts. Just start finding. Okay. Also, people who are waiting on having a baby or pregnancy related news, they also can get a very good news this week. Just try, make the efforts. Okay. Do not give up. And definitely do not listen to anyone who's toxic around you. Okay. Do not let anyone mess your mind up. It's going to happen for you. So don't worry. It's a very good week for you, Geminis. I would like to tell you to claim this immediately by commenting, I claim this reading, I manifest this reading so that it manifests faster for you. And yes, this was a general reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Gemini. If you think you have very specific questions which were not covered in this general reading, which are regarding your life, you have specific questions regarding your health, your children, parents, money, then you can book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. I take counseling sessions. I have a lot of packages for love, single, friendship, or career as well. And I have exclusive love readings and no contact readings along with rituals and whatnot. So check out the description box for all the services, and to book any reading, any service, or to know the prices, you can directly email me at my personal email ID, which is asthasharma842 at gmail.com, or you can directly follow me and DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. You'll get to know the prices, easy peasy bookings from there as well, and you will get your reading within 24 hours. I also have audio video sessions available, limited slots only, so hurry and book right now. Take care of yourself. I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.